sa napakainit na panahon dito. Sagot ang napakalamig na Coca-Cola!
Di ba tayo nakaka 2 hours to? Bawas na ba ito sa 2 hours?
Pagod, oy.
Bakit ba ito ginagawa?
Yeah, this is the Saigon. Imagine the hotel over there. It is about 70 kilometers. You can reach the Gucci tunnels. Yeah. Okay, you wanna try? Yes.
Papasok po siya. Siya na ang representative natin pumasok.
Represent.
Oo. Kasha.
Okay, camouflage with the chef door. Okay.
Bye. Bye, girl.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, go up.
Minhi, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hello world.
Ay, bagay yung suot mo, te. Buti na lang na ganyan ka.
Para bang taga dito.
Okay, my rope over here,
1,
please.
2, 3.
Không có dành, không có dành, không có dành đâu.
Ginawa kang testingan ng ibang layo. Tama?
Yung ko na lang
No, 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 no. I said like gel's color looks like
part of the ano.
part of the soldiers.
You can call me the god of the sun.
Oh, yeah.
Wanna try? Master body.
I think I want to try this part. The I want
ikat-ikat part.
Ikat part.
Yeah, professional. Are you staff here?
Wow.
Siguro kung magkakaano, yan ang bag ko.
Ha?
Taga ganyan.
Oo, din. Kung papa.
Yeah, it's made from strap and dead bamboo. Knowing the word, this nuno sa punso.
Nuno sa punso.
Vietnam number. In the Philippines, there's what we call nuno sa punso, where we believe that dwarves. Yeah,
This is
live.
House of Dwarves.
Yeah, this is a ventilation hole. Yeah. During the war, soldiers believe mainly ventilation hole like this. Yeah, also known as the fighting bunker because they usually steal their back.
Tubig lang. Tapos maaano na siya. Mahuhulma mo siya tapos mabubuo na siya. Pero yung sa Bataan, red yung clay. So, alam mo yun, parang ang swerte nila kasi 'di ba? Swerte pa rin nila kasi nagamit nila yung resources ng kalikasan para makapagtago.
It's a work in the daytime. Easy to camouflage on the jungle. Women work at night. Yeah, so that's why we have the two uniform. You remember on the yellow area? Yeah, American separate local people like women and children, but at night they still go to the red area separate for the recon soldiers. So that's why we have the two uniforms.
Buhay pa oh. Kanina nagkikwento pa ako sa clay, kamay-kamay, tapos kayo naging emotional.
Yeah. This is the sticking trap. You can see it's made from bombshell and serpent bamboo. Have 4 serpent. When you step inside, 4 serpent will fall together. Ano daw? Pag natapakan mo, yan o, pag natapakan mo,
Lalabas yan.
bababa ka. This make from student during the patches. Yeah, when you step inside, it will spear from the feet up into the body. Yeah.
Uy.
This is the seesaw chair. Yeah, this seesaw not for entertainment for children. Yeah, it's work very well. Yeah.
Do you know-
When you step one side, the other side will come to your head.
Step one side, the other side.
It's like a final destination. Oh,
Kompleto, may window, may door,
may fish.
may fish.
Yeah,
Why we say the door trap? Because it's behind the door. Suppose you guys, the enemy, when you open the door, what will you do first?
Open it.
Open.
This will jump down. What will you do first? Normally, you use pen and guns. Yeah, we use block. Yeah,
This
but
way, my
we
friend.
have another guy, another one.
Fine.
Yeah, o sa ilalim siya
Yeah, when
titira.
you talk about another one, the one you come to the train. Yeah. So as I usually say, this is very painful surprise.
Yeah.
Just like many American soldiers can become the father nowadays. We got this.
Fatherness. Alam mo yung mga Vietnamese, ang galing gumawa ng Iba yung humor niya, no? Medyo no? Medyo
Hindi-
war yung humor niya.
Kumbaga may dark chocolate, eto yun.
Gago ka ba, mama?
Dark chocolate humor.
Ganito guys, sabi niya, pag bubuksan mo yung door, tapos nakita mo yung trap, ang unang gagawin, ipang sasagang mo yung barel. Ngayon, dahil alam na nila masasagang yung barel, pag ginanon mo yung barel, magsisway yung nasa ilalim. So, marami daw baog na dahil doon.
Traffic. Stick the traffic.
Shell of the bomb because it used a hammer. What is it to bomb one? After that, we bomb the fire and we have the compartment. We will take it to a landmine.
Yeah. This is military workshop, and when American drop the bombs, we collect them and we recycle. Yeah, the bamboo trap you see before is also like second bamboo and bomb shell. Yeah, we cut in half, take the explosive inside, and when you cut the bombs, it's very hot. So we need to always pour the water. Yeah.
Grabe, meron pa rin dun.
Wala akong masabi. Ang galing.
Ang galing!
Ayun ang common ng mga Asians, resourceful.
Legit pala yun eh. Yun pala ibabayaran natin.
Yeah, then. I don't know how.
Very good. Grab that weapon.
Yung iba nga nagsusouvenir pero ito hindi natin ito pwede dalhin. Parang awa. Ang bilis mo naman.
Speed lang.
Thank you.
Thank you, kuya!
Yung 1.3M yung ibang bahay. Ito yung pinaka.
Hey!
You remember how to say cheers in Vietnam?
How?
When we're drinking, we say một hai ba yo. Stop. Một
Okay! Back yo!
Walk after shooting.
Yeah, I'm drunk.
Then, first cook.
First coke namin sa
Vietnam.
Ang lamig kasi, nakikita ko, iba yung makikita mo kung malamig talagang legit.
Alam mo yung,
Okay. Do you guys rise and then laugh?
we're crazy. We're
Yeah.
Yeah,
crazy.
flexible.
Yeah. But this one, I was jealous in the foreigner who bought this one because I see that, wow, this one, very cold. Really good. Coke in can is much better than bottle.
Gusto ko yung ano dati
No
lumalabas.
sugar.
Oh!
Yeah, that's what I actually wanna tell you. The taste is different.
Dahil walang sugar.
So, meron pa nga siyang Coke Light eh. So, mas zero
Lighter.
na halos yung...
So, sa napakainit na panahon dito, sagot ang napakalamig na Coca-Cola!
We have this like a noontime show.
Very, very cold. Very, very cold.
Yeah, Coca-Cola.
How do you feel sa first gun shooting experience? AK-47 agad si ate ko.
Si Fern agad. Fern! Zoldrak agad.
Zoltrak. Please hold this one.
Uy! Mabigat!
It's heavy, yeah? Ang bigat.
They make this one?
Yeah.
Also, the soldiers wore this.
Yes. Because it's heavy, yeah?
Yeah.
This called alcohol sandal. I'm like, it's special. Take a look on footprint. Yeah. For footprint, when you go forward, the footprint look like you go backward. Yeah. When you go right side, the good footprint look like you go left side.
Whoa!
Yeah. And when we hurt men check around, when they confuse, they will step into the trap. Yeah. They have a sharp time to disappear into the tumble.
Galing. Galing.
Yeah. Yeah, very smart,
Brains,
huh?
brains,
Yeah,
brains.
because it's heavy.
What this one? What's the difference with
What makes it different because they recycle to make sandal. Yeah.
I see, I see. Ito yung kabaliktaran ng ano.
Baby, oh, may baby sizes tangi.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Lahat niya ng ano, pamilya kasama.
Which is parang sad din.
Walang iiwanan dito.
Yo!
Tomorrow.
Wala kasing YouTube eh. Baka masyadong matagal.
Bakit? Hindi ka makaano pag walang YouTube. Wait na po si Priren ng ano,
Pinagbabawal na.
magic. May spell. Po kami sa tunnel. Actually, ayoko rin ng tunnel, ayoko ng kuweba, pero for the experience ba?
Para alam ko na gagawin ko sa bahay.
Magpapatayo yan siya ng tunnel. So we tried this tunnel.
Được vậy nào mình sợ mình đừng lớn lên nha.
Para mali tayo ng nilabasan. Wala pa si Billy. I think namin na wala yung people right behind us.
Right, keep going.
Uy, uy! Look! Jackfruit!
Uy!
Na para bang wala sa Pilipinas.
Ay, ngayon lang ako nakita niya ng up close and personal.
After soldiers during the wartime, wash your hands away from you. And
Okay.
people.
So, kapag hugas na kami ng kamay,
If war happen, I can use my voice. One more.
na para bang ibong adami.
You can try. This is cassava. Yeah, the main food of the soldiers during the wartime. Yeah, why we eat cassava? Because it's cheaper and moreover it's can live in many different soil. Philippines.
Yeah, we call this kamote.
Yeah, tell me how does it taste?
What's this? Peanut and sugar?
And salty.
Kakaiba ngayon.
Root crops sa English.
We eat the root.
Sige kuya. Sayang naman.
Hindi siya mahilig sa mga ganito.
Mm.
Try mo.
Thank you.
Try pa kuya.
Okay na.
Ayun, another Pinoy na nakita namin.
Cassava because it's held for many hours.
Mabigat sa tiyan.
Cheaper. Tapos pwede pang tumubo sa iba-ibang lupa. So, medyo ano siya. Flexible. Pero para sa wala siya masyadong lasa.
Ito yung
Ito pa
palasa.
lasa. Asin at saka peanut. Yaman nyo, may peanuts pa kayo, di ba?
Sa amin asukal. Ay, sugar.
Sugar.
Tropa.
We use this one and sugar.
Sugar.
Taste test talaga. Which is, kaya hindi, mukha siyang hindi 2 hours na activity. Kasi ang dami nung ginagawa. Hindi mo siya mapapansin.